What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can start generating $1,000 a day online, even if you're brand new and even if you've never made your first dollar on the internet. Now, real quick, I want to share with you some proof so you can see that I'm actually generating $1,000 or more per day. Now, I'm actually logged into my Stripe account. Stripe is one of the methods, the means that I actually collect affiliate commissions when I promote people's products online. And you can see that yesterday, I was able to generate $1,025 inside of my Stripe account. Okay, now I want to refresh real quick so you can see that this number will stay the same. This is real, legit income. And there you go. Okay, so yesterday. Now what you're going to be able to access is a full done for you affiliate campaign to make as much as $1,000 per day. Okay, now you're going to be able to also get the exact affiliate campaign resources, such as traffic sources, capture pages, done for you emails, step-by-step over-the-shoulder training that I've personally created on exactly how to get free traffic sent to your campaign so you can start to pump out these $1,000 or more commissions on a daily basis. Okay, so once you set up following the very simple steps I'm going to walk you through inside this video, you can just email me. Okay, there'll be an email in the description if you're watching this on YouTube where you can send me the information I require, which I'll share in a second, and you can get full campaign resources.
But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video.
So without further ado, let's start setting up our campaign. Okay, so the funnel and the system that I'm highly recommending you use is called the multiple income funnel. Now, I've been online over 5 years full time, but previous to that, I had invested my hard-earned money into different systems, different tools, different resources, and I was sick and tired of getting inside and there'd be missing pieces, or I'd have to create a website myself, or I'd have to try to come up with all the follow-up emails. The reason I love the multiple income funnel system is it literally gives you all the capture pages, all the follow-up emails, traffic sources, training, all that done for you. So if you want to make $1,000 or more per day online, the easiest way is not to go through, months of trial and error, months of testing. It's to just plug into something that's already converting, that's already making tons of people from around the world these $1,000 or more per day commissions, and just getting traffic to the front of it. Okay, that's really the easiest way. So how do you start setting up your multiple income funnel system? Well, there's going to be a link directly below, and when you click that, you'll get taken to this page. Okay, now all you have to do is click this button here, put in your name and your best email, and hit watch the video. Okay, now that's going to redirect you to this page here. Now they have a video here you can actually watch to learn more about the multiple income funnel system, how it works. But to just get this affiliate campaign set up so you can start to earn $1,000 or more per day, like I showed you proof of in the beginning of the video, all you have to do is click this button and set up your system. Okay, it's just $49 a month. Now, if you freak out at that, realize that if you want to make $1,000 or more per day online, it's never free. Okay, I mean, you can try to do surveys if you want to make pennies. You can try to do other things, but nothing online that's going to make you at least $1,000 is free. Okay, the videos that are claiming you can make $5,000 in 10 minutes clicking a mouse, I mean, it's just BS, right? So I'm making these videos to cut through the BS and share with you how you can still generate extraordinary income in 60 minutes or less a day, but you have to put a little skin in the game. Okay, and this is a drop in the hat for the value you're able to get and just swiping this incredibly high converting affiliate campaign. So once you click this button here, all you have to do is put in your first name, last name, some information. Okay, create a username, password. This is how you're able to log in to the multiple income funnel, access your affiliate links, access all the resources as well. And then you would just complete your order, fill out your debit or credit card information, and create an account. Okay, now once you're inside, we need to first set up our multiple income funnel, okay? And then the last step, which I'll share exactly how to do in this exact video, is to get traffic people clicking our affiliate link that is going to the multiple income funnel, and then people will go through the process, buy, and you'll able to make $1,000 or more per day very easily. So how do we actually do that? Now, before you click the link under this video, before you click that link and make that purchase, what you want to realize is, so once you're inside, you just go through these videos, okay? So step 2 is actually setting up the different income streams. Now, if I log in real quick, what you would do is you would basically, you could skip over the first step, okay? Because this income stream is actually the multiple income funnel, which is taken care of when you sign up here, okay? Now, income stream number 2 is Easy One-Up. Now, Easy One-Up is really going to be how you're gonna generate these high ticket affiliate commissions. I mean, you can literally earn as much as $2,000 per referral, per commission with the Easy One-Up income stream. And the beautiful thing about Easy One-Up is it pays you instantly, okay? So you don't have to wait a week, 2 weeks. If you've tried to promote other products online, often you have to wait a long time to get the money. When you make a sale with Easy One-Up, when you go to the link below, you pull out your credit card, you make a purchase, and you start going through your back office, you start setting up Easy One-Up, and you join at one of the levels, you're able to earn at that level and below 100% instant commissions, okay? So it's absolutely incredible. Now, all you have to do, there's gonna be a button right here to set this up. Click that button. You'll get taken to this page, okay? You should see my picture, and it's very important you want to actually sign up through me so you can access my incredible resources I'll share in just a second. So to sign up with the Easy One-Up income stream, all you have to do is fill out your information. Again, create a new username, password. It can be the same exact one as you created with the multiple income funnel, the first income stream. Create that, okay? There's going to be a grayed out CAPTCHA code to keep this secure. Mine is 139. Yours is probably going to be different. Agree to the terms and hit start now, okay? Now, once you start and create an account with Easy One-Up, the next thing you need to do is you need to create, or not create, rather, you need to choose a level to actually join out with Easy One-Up, okay? Now, these are the levels, okay? So you can join at the Elevation, Elevation Elite. Now, each of these levels, it's a one-time investment to position yourself at that level. Now, whatever level you come in at, okay, again, you unlock that specific level and the levels below. Now, Easy One-Up is video training on how to get traffic, leads, and sales online, essentially how to build a successful online business. So not only when you invest in one of these levels are you earning the ability to get 100% instant paying commissions and make as much as $1,000 or more per day, but you're also able to access the training, okay, inside your Easy One-Up back office that you can apply it to this affiliate campaign that we're covering in this video. Now, what level do you want to join at? Well, I want to share with you that the most popular level is the Vertex Live. Now, this is a $2,000 level with a $500 one-time admin fee, okay? Now, whether you join me at the Vertex Pro or the Vertex Live this week, what I want to share with you is you'll actually be able to get these incredible bonuses, okay? So like I shared, right here, there's going to be an email. So once you join me at the Vertex Pro, Vertex Live, what you want to do is email me your Easy One-Up username to support@prosperwithgarrett.com, and I will share with you these exact bonuses, okay? So bonus number 1, you're going to get my full social media mastery course. It's my best secrets I've learned to generate leads and sales totally for free on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Okay, you'll see step-by-step over-the-shoulder video modules I've never revealed on YouTube. You'll be able to access my best copy-paste ads, so you can post these on your social media, Facebook, Twitter. You'll start to get people replying, asking you to see your website. And then, okay, all you have to do, if you go back into your multiple income funnel, okay, once you set up all these different income streams, all you have to do is go to links, okay, and you just take one of these capture pages, 1, 2, or 3, okay, and all you have to do is promote this link, okay? You get a done-for-you website, and again, you get enough people going to this page, then it's very simple to actually create these $1,000 or more per day commissions, okay? So again, using these bonuses, you're gonna be able to get tons of traffic. But if you have a little bit of money, okay, what you can actually do, okay, to promote your website in this affiliate campaign is you can actually use the recommended traffic source inside of multiple income funnel, okay? So if I log back in, what you want to realize is step 2, these income streams. Income stream number 4 is traffic authority. Now, traffic authority is actually the #1 recommended way to get paid traffic. So to do that, you can just go to the top tab under traffic, and this takes you to the traffic store. Now you can purchase clicks of high quality traffic and send it to your capture page, okay? So we would send it to this page. So if I copy my specific link, your link would be different. I post that in there, and now I can choose how many clicks. Okay, so this is top tier, high quality traffic, and the more clicks you purchase, the more people that are gonna go to your website and the more potential sales you're gonna get, because people will start to go through the same process you're gonna go through once you go to the link under this video. And when they upgrade, you're able to actually generate money, okay? And it ranges in price. So the most basic level is $220. You get 170 to 190 clicks, and it delivers in about a week or 2, okay? So it drip feeds high quality traffic to your link, okay? One of the most popular, the most recommended is the gold, the platinum, okay? Because these are gonna give you the most clicks. And again, once you get clicks that are high quality to your affiliate link right here in this campaign, you're gonna start to pump out these high ticket commissions. This is exactly what I did to generate over $1,000 yesterday, okay, in just one of the income streams. So all you have to do is add a card, debit or credit, go through, agree to terms, and place order, and you will start getting high quality traffic, okay? So this is the easiest way I found to generate over $1,000 or more per day online. I have newbies from around the world that have been joining me the last few months using this exact done for them affiliate campaign. Many of them have been able to generate some amazing, amazing income very, very easily, okay? So there's gonna be all the links directly below. You can actually create an account. Again, the first step is to go to this page, put your name and email, sign up, okay, under here for $49 a month. Go through step 2, set up these different income streams. When you go to Easy One Up, be sure to come in at the $1,000 or $2,000 level if possible for you. Any level, you're gonna be able to make money, but if you want my bonuses, come in as high as possible. And you can also purchase traffic here. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, my friend. Be sure to also subscribe, hit the bell notification so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step videos. And if you have any questions, comment them below as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.